Welcome to Books in Sum, your go-to for bite-sized book summaries.
A side hustle is any profitable activity done in addition to regular employment. It's a business that can make money while requiring very little of the owner in terms of time, money, or effort beyond what they're already putting into their primary source of income. It's a path to financial independence that's open to anyone, as it eliminates dependence on any one employer. A British construction manager who reviewed fish tanks for a small, unknown website made enough money to pay his rent with the proceeds from his side gig. Years later, he still earns $700 per month for writing the same reviews. Having multiple streams of income rather than depending on the whims of a single employer can be thought of as a form of job security. And this is exactly what a side hustle can provide. A side gig can help you transition into full-time self-employment without taking on all the risks of quitting your day job. You don't need a bunch of resources or an advanced degree to get started, either. The best ideas for a side business are those that are practical, lucrative, and convincing. To get started, keep in mind that all truly game-changing concepts share three characteristics. They are doable, profitable, and persuasive. Projected profit from each side hustle can be determined by subtracting expected income from those costs. The most crucial aspects are the viability, profitability, and persuasiveness of the proposed ideas. Finally, to estimate how much money you'll make from each side hustle, use the formula, expected income minus expected expenses. The text focuses on the three most crucial aspects of any offer: the promise, the pitch, and the price. With the promise, you make a bold statement about the immediate benefits to the customer. With the pitch, you give them all the information they need. And with the price, you tell them how much it will cost them and encourage them to take action. The best deals make customers feel like time is of the essence by providing speedy responses to their questions, by employing the color red, and by including a countdown timer on the purchase confirmation page. A winning bid is the result of careful planning and the careful ordering of offer components. The text focuses on the three most crucial aspects of any offer: the promise, the pitch, and the price. The best deals make customers feel like time is of the essence by providing speedy responses to their questions, by employing the color red, and by including a countdown timer on the purchase confirmation page. Sarah saw a need in the market for personalized candy hearts, so she set to work on her own and received several orders within a few days. Sarah was able to keep her business running smoothly even after her supplier was unable to meet demand because she had acquired her own printing machine. You need to have the fundamentals covered if you want to be resourceful and have the right mindset for rapidly expanding your hustle. Among these are a web presence, social media presence, appointment setting, and payment processing system. Focus on satisfying customers' latent desires and setting reasonable prices to increase both value and revenue. Knowing the value you'll bring to others and getting their buy-in will help you sell your side gig. What can a side hustler learn from the Girl Scouts, who sell cookies by the truckload every year? People buy so many cookies not only because they are delicious, but also because they are well known for being so. It's crucial to appeal to people's feelings and highlight the benefits of your product or service when trying to make a sale. You should reach out to 4 groups of people to help you along the way: supporters, mentors, influencers, and ideal customers. Find the sweet spot of your side gig and maximize it. In the early stages of your hustle, knowing the exact trajectory your business is on is crucial. After launching, you should quickly assess whether or not your business is profitable. In the beginning, there are 3 possible outcomes. First, you may discover that you are significantly outperforming your expectations. Second, you may believe that your original idea was good but that people haven't latched onto it. And third, you may discover that your idea hasn't completely gained traction, but that, because it is making some money, it wouldn't make sense to shut it down. The most pivotal information here is the process for fixing the weak spots of a second job. One of these measures is analyzing your metrics in terms of revenue, expansion, and time. Once problems have been identified, they can be fixed by following 2 simple rules: repeat what's working and stop doing what isn't. Last but not least, you need to establish a process for your side business to increase the likelihood that customers will buy from you and that you'll be able to deliver on their expectations. Customers' initial exposure to your business, the sequence of events following their initial purchase or registration, and any additional steps necessary to fulfill their order should all be factored into this workflow.
We hope you found this summary helpful in your listening journey. If you're interested in diving deeper into the topic or getting your hands on the whole book, be sure to check the description below where we've included links to the book and other related products that may be useful to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest book summaries. And feel free to leave a comment with any suggestions or requests for books you'd like us to cover. Thanks again for tuning in and happy listening.